Welcome to Rock Creek Containers, your leading choice for dumpster rental in Greenville, South Carolina. Rock Creek Containers is your reliable partner for all your waste management needs, whether for a home renovation, a construction project, or a significant cleanup endeavor. With a commitment to efficiency and customer satisfaction, Rock Creek Containers offers a wide selection of dumpster sizes tailored to meet the demands of any project, big or small. Choose from a range of top-grade dumpsters, each rigorously inspected and maintained to meet our high standards for quality and durability, ensuring your project stays on track without a hitch. Our commitment is to provide hassle-free service, offering convenient delivery and pickup that fits your schedule, ensuring a seamless project from start to finish. With a solid commitment to environmental stewardship, Rock Creek Containers is dedicated to disposing of your waste in the most sustainable way possible, prioritizing recycling whenever possible. For your upcoming project, look no further than Rock Creek Containers. Explore our services at www.rockcreekcontainers.com Dumpster Rental Greenville SC or contact us at 828-692-9017 to learn how we can assist you. Rock Creek Containers is dedicated to keeping Greenville, South Carolina, clean, one dumpster at a time.